This video is about introduction to code editors and their types. Since we are studying HTML and CSS, we will talk about HTML editors. HTML editor is a software used for writing code in HTML, which is used for structuring and creating websites. Even though codes can be written from scratch using a normal text editor, HTML editors provide a great deal of ease to the developers by ensuring hassle-free coding. When you should use an HTML editor? Developers prefer to use HTML editors when they want to have full control over their code and easily create their websites. HTML editors are of great importance to the users who don't have much knowledge of HTML as of now, and also those who need to generate source codes quickly. HTML editors are highly beneficial for the sake of convenience, as they successfully conceal and correct the developer's part of minor errors by syntax correction, auto-completion, simple editing, etc. Advantages of using HTML editors. They are of great benefit since they allow the users to easily check their syntax, insert commonly used HTML tags and structures, and also provide auto-completion. The website development can be exhausting. With the help of online HTML editors, it is possible to create websites with ease and at a faster rate. HTML editors provide full control to the developer, hence helping him to delve deeper into the source code and find the hidden intricacies. HTML editors provide an amicable and aesthetic designing experience. Types of HTML editors. There are two types. First one is textual HTML editor and the second one is WYSIWYG editor. That is, what you see is what you get editor. So what are textual HTML editors? These are text-based editors where the developers can write their codes and compile them. The code appears in the same manner we write it, thus it requires basic knowledge of HTML. Some of these editors also provide features of making a project, managing all the files related to the web, etc. Examples of HTML text editors include Notepad++, VS Code, Sublime Text, etc. The second one is WYSIWYG HTML editor, that is, what you see is what you get is its full form. These editors provide the preview of the output of the source code, that is, as it would appear on a browser. There is a drag and drop feature available in most of them that eases the handling. It does not require any hardcore knowledge of HTML, thus enabling non-technicals to easily develop websites. Examples include Adobe, Dreamweaver, Maya, Blue Griffon, etc. HTML can be written in simple text editors such as Notepad or TextEdit, but other widely used editors are Atom, Notepad++, Sublime Text, Adobe Dreamweaver CC, Visual Studio Code. First one is Atom. Atom is an open source and free code editor. It was released by GitHub in 2014, and the perks to developers are: the teletype feature of Atom lets developers interact with their teammates and share their codes in real time. The feature of cross-platform editing enables developers to work across different operating systems. Developers can install new packages and build their own. Smart auto-completion facilitates faster and smoother coding. Multiple panes help to edit and compare code across different files. Second one is Notepad++. And the perks of using Notepad++ are: it is a super lightweight editor with color coding. Developers can customize its interface according to their preference. Due to its extensibility, developers can add plugins and create their own. The perks of using Sublime Text are: the go-to-anything feature enables developers to open files with just a few keystrokes and immediately go to words, lines, or symbols. The feature of multiple selections enables developers to make many changes at the same time, such as manipulate many lines at once. Split editing permits editing of files side by side, which escalates the rate of development. Easy customization in Sublime using simple JSON files. Next we have Adobe Dreamweaver CC, and the perks are: Adobe Dreamweaver provides a dynamic display and builds web pages that can fit on any screen. The feature of preview enables the developers to know how exactly their web page would look before publishing it. The workspace is customizable, enabling the developers to see only the tools they need in order to code. Multi-monitor support feature for Windows helps to view web pages on multiple monitors. The last one is Visual Studio Code, and the perks are: VS Code has an attractive user experience and a customizable workspace. IntelliSense provides smart completions based on variables, functions, and imported libraries. With VS Code, it is possible to debug the code right from the editor without any hassle. Git commits can be made right from the editor. Extensions are available to add new languages, debuggers, or any other additional services. They run as separate processes, thus not at the cost of speed of the editor. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.